Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome to Yogam Sharanam Gacchami. How to practice Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama and the major benefits you will going to know. Right? Left hand Jnana Mudra, right hand Vishnu Mudra, and asana should be, of course, Siddhasana is best for Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Right? If you are unable to practice this Siddhasana or Padmasana, you can sit comfortably, whichever you feel good. Okay? Right? Close right nostril and slowly left inhale. Right exhale slowly. Right inhale, slow and deep breath. Left exhale slowly. This is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. Left inhale, slow and deep breath. Right exhale slowly. And right inhale slowly, deeper, and left exhale slowly. 1:1 ratio. That is a basic level. Here people say it is Anulom Viloma. Okay. In Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, traditionally there are different ratio. 1:64:32, 1:2:4, likewise. Let us only practice 1:1. It's a neutral, so that the purification immediately taken care of. All three major nadis, that is Chandra Nadi, Surya Nadi, and Sukshma Nadi, Ida, Pingala, and Shushumna. Sukshma Nadi means middle Nadi. Okay, so this one immediately, without any difficulty, without any pressure, without any side effects, will purify three major nadis or major nerves in the whole nervous system. Okay, once again let us practice. Just observe, and you do daily like this, morning and evening, with cool and calm manner when you are feel time. Okay, so morning and evening is best time. Let us practice. Just observe once again. Slowly relax, stop, and left, and come to Brahmanjali. On the left hand, on the left palm, you put right palm, touch both thumb edges, and relax, concentrate at the navel portion. Observe normal breath. need to take breathe here, just observe normal breath. Concentrate at navel portion. You can feel that nerve impulses. You can find there at navel portion nerve impulses, clear, distinct manner. As you increase your concentration levels, then you can immediately find both thumb nerve impulses and nerve impulses at navel portion too. Oh. Likewise, if you practice left inhale, right exhale, right inhale, left exhale for 5 minutes, you observe this Brahmanjali for 5 minutes. That is better. Even if more than 5 minutes also better. That is meditative state where the Sushumna can be purified. Okay? Or Sushumna will be activated. So then automatically within the Sushumna there is a Brahmanadi, Chitrini event too. So Vajranadi too. So Brahmanadi will be when it is pierced, all the cosmic energy will enter into the body through the Brahmanadi from the top of the head. That is the highest Raja Yoga will taken care. When first you have to purify left and right. Okay? Then because the mind and action will be seized. Then automatically, because mind will think, body will act. When it is both are submerged in the prana, then automatically the divine nadi, Sushumna, and from there Vajranadi, Chitrini and Brahmanadi will be awakened. And Brahmanadi, when it is already it is Brahmanadi, like a mother and a child in the womb, that is umbilical cord. Likewise, we have the touch to the cosmic force, that is universal God, universal mother. Okay. Already we are in touch with that. That's why whatever you feel hard, automatically cosmos will listen and sends it back. Whatever you have inside, everything connected. That is, without seeing, here we have the connection from to the cosmos. Other physiological benefits, because the Siddhasana, that's automatically anus and physical at anus place, physiological benefits, Chandra, Surya and other nadis also emanated. Immediately here nostrils will open because the leakage is stopped from the lower level. So savings of the breath will be there. And if you perform Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama, heart beating, contraction and release will be perfect. And the nerve vessels also, there will be no blockages. And even if it is there also, will be purified slowly. So pressures will be withstand by doing Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama. For kidney patients, it is must. Easily you can manage. Because the blood only, everything, impure blood causes the kidney problems. And high pressure or low pressure causes the kidney problems. So the total effect of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama and the blood flow, it makes the blood divine. Right? Thank you very much. Om Namah Shivaya. Please, if you like, share it. Thank you. Om Shanti.